Most disturbing videos caught on camera. Basic title.
November 20th, a video went viral out of a church in St. Louis, and what was supposed to be a beautiful engagement was interrupted by a stranger who had a confession to make.
Oh, that was on a Nick Crowley video.
Sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm a murderer. I'm a murderer.
Cousin.
I need help.
Oh my God, Bradley.
I killed plenty of people. I do not want to kill anyone else.
Bradley, come on.
I killed a lot of people.
Oh my gosh.
Please forgive me.
Come on, cuz. Bradley, look at me. We just came.
Move to the side. Please forgive me. Please, God. Please forgive me for my sins. I am sorry for hurting other people. I do not want to hurt another human being as long as I live. I have asked you for forgiveness from this. Please help me.
This is the story time to when our proposal got interrupted by a man confessing a murder.
I'm going to start off by saying that it is not AI.
The footage was given over to police, but as of right now, they haven't released a statement.
I don't know. Right off the bat, not AI, it's 100% real. Like, yes, the video is real. There's real people in it, but y'all are, I couldn't even see your damn proposal. Like, I feel like that wasn't even set up right. I mean, it felt like the point was for him to get in the way.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm a murderer. I'm a murderer.
Cousin.
I need help.
Oh my God, Bradley.
I killed.
Team Bro starts saying cousin. Like, I don't know. The whole thing's weird. That one's interesting, but it's not good.
Counter was uploaded by a user named Adventure Marksman, and he explains how him and his wife were out elk hunting in a remote location on an old logging trail. And this is when they believed they heard what sounded like a child crying. So they pulled out a GoPro and began to record. But what they were about to catch on camera, they could not explain, because it sounded like two creatures communicating with each other.
What?
Holy shit.
What? Bro, this is dumb. It's just noises of, oh my God. It's just nature noises, dude. The only weird one was the like, woo, 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 woo. I don't know what that was. Not a clue. Woo! Yo, give her the camera, bro. She's more aware than you. What, that?
Now it should be noted that these two are both, by their own admission, avid hunters, and are currently armed, and you can tell they're terrified.
They don't seem terrified. They seem cautious. But very real, whatever it is. The fact that you feel the need to tell me that it's real. I'm about over this video. Bro, I don't know. You're just making shit up. Like, come on.
Back in 2009, a young woman named Gabriela Rico Jimenez was caught on news camera having a breakdown in front of a luxury hotel in Monterrey, Mexico.
Oh,
and she would go on to claim that she was essentially held hostage by people that ate humans. This would lead many people to believe she was referring to the Illuminati. She also mentions people's names involved, one of them being Carlos Slim, who at the time was the richest man in Mexico. Unfortunately, this not only brought the attention of the news cameras, but also the police, who quickly apprehended her. Here's part of that disturbing newscast.
Escuchemos qué fue lo que decía esta joven al momento que estaba protagonizando su escándalo en plena vía pública. Adelante.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like vague statements. You're not really saying like what happened. I'm not really. Yeah, he knew about this. I mean, that just has nothing to do with. That's like being like, oh, Elon Musk knew about this. Like, people are just going to throw their name out there because he happens to be the richest guy in Mexico. So they're going to throw his name out there. And then she's just taking her rage out on people who aren't responsible for it. They smell like human flesh. I don't know. She's just losing it, dude. This is silly. Ooh. Ugh.
Luis, esta es la triste realidad de
She's handled that girl. She was biting her.
la joven Gabriela Rico Jiménez, quien, como observamos en momentos, intentó también agredir al elemento policíaco que logró someterla esta madrugada. Por eso que, bueno, vamos a buscar la versión de las...
Alright, she just had an episode. I mean, come on. Oh, don't tell me it's the dog one.
Heard online by a user named Sydney. Now Sydney,
The leash.
this rabbit hole.
So I wanted to show you guys some footage of my dog with these stairs. Again, she's been doing this ever since we got here, every single day. There she is again, just back at it, just
Yeah, we saw this on a Sir Spooks.
sniffing around, kind of standing there.
And there's a room underneath the stairs.
And then this clip right here, this one really freaked me out. So I kind of knew that it was happening because it had gotten really quiet. She left my side. I was in my room in bed, about to go to sleep, and I just, lo and behold, see her like
I mean, she's kind of cute being like stun locked right there. It's kind of a adorable stance.
walk over and see her, and she was so locked into the stairs this time around. It was so spooky, guys. Like, honestly, I literally at this point I was
I mean, dogs could just be kind of weird though, you know?
Follow-up video debunking this, while others thought it could be a medical condition and not paranormal at all. But in the next video, she thinks she's found the reason her dog's been acting so strange.
So I think I figured out why my dog just...
Okay. Yeah, it's the room underneath.
So I don't think that it's what's on the stairs. I think it's something that's underneath. So I tried to check, but the door is locked.
That was silly. That was silly. You're faking this whole thing. That was so silly. That wasn't real.
The light is on right there.
Oh my god. It's crazy, huh? And I can't even get in there. How's the light on? Weird. Yeah, and then it gets pulled. I remember this. It's totally fake. It's totally fake. Like her actions make no sense whatsoever. It's just kind of silly.
Oh my god. Oh my god, did that just happen?
Wait, did I skip? Is that it? No, yeah, same video.
Oh my god.
And it's like an Airbnb, and then it gets yanked, and they have to call the guy to come get it or something. So they loop him in on the prank video. Like, it's so stupid. Oh, this is the leash video, too.
Now this all happens in a quick succession, but after making it to the top of the stairs, she hears running behind her, so she turns around.
Yeah, and that was in a Sir Spooks video, too. That's the entire last video. It's just this whole saga. Lame.
On the following day, the Airbnb host came and unlocked the door.
Yeah, see, told you. That's so silly. Ugh, no, I'm over that. Was there any good ones in this? Not really. No. There's only 4 though. Okay.